The purpose of this tutorial is to give you an overview of the library service Grab and Go. This allows you to request a book through the library catalog, and we will pull the book and make it available for you to pick up. To get started, you want to go to the library's website, which is library.fitchburgstate.edu. From there, click on Books and Media. Enter the title of the book that you are looking for in the search box. In this example, we are looking for Gone with the Wind. If you want to find the physical item, click on Fitchburg State Library Catalog. Here, you will see several books available for you to borrow. Click on the call number, and it will take you to the library catalog. There are two options available to you. If you want the book immediately, you can write down the call number and go to the appropriate floor to retrieve it and check it out at the circulation desk. However, if you would like to use Grab and Go, you will want to request the item. To do this, click on Request this item. You will be asked to log in. Your library barcode is your OneCard number. However, instead of using the @ symbol, you will replace it with a 0. Then you will enter your last name. Click on Login. You can request up to 10 items at a time. I currently have 9 holds available. If I click on Hold, it will take me to a page where I can submit my request. There are 2 pickup locations, Circulation Desk or Office Delivery, which is available to faculty. You are going to select Circulation Desk and click on Submit. The request will go to our Public Services Department. They will pull the book and check it out in your name. You will receive an email notification letting you know when it is available. Please allow up to 24 hours for them to process the request. When you receive the email, you will be able to pick up the book from the cart located inside the library. If you have additional questions about Grab and Go, please use our chat feature and reach out to us. This has been an overview of the Grab and Go service and how you can request an item from the catalog and pick it up at your convenience.